Let's get more on this with Lauren Crooks of Coalition Communications. Lauren, thanks so much for your time on SABC News. One would think that in particular the PR industry may be spared from the full impact of COVID-19.
Hi there. In certain ways, yes, I believe so, because the fundamentals of PR is communicating meaningful brand stories. And while traditional media, like out-of-home media and print media, may be less relevant or less necessary now, the digital landscape it really is, it's not necessarily something should be approached with fear and trepidation. There really is an opportunity to reach people and share meaningful brand experiences in unprecedented ways online.
We apologize for that sound that's currently coming out of the Skype. Lauren, I've just spoken to someone from the Brave Group who was saying that in times like this, small and large companies need to look at a way of collaborating as a way of mitigating the impact of COVID-19. Is that feasible with the amount of competition there also is for ad spend?
I believe so. I think there is strength in numbers at this time, and in the way that businesses across the nations are pivoting, so too should agencies pivot, and collaboration really is a way to maximize on the impact that we can have as media agencies. So Coalition in particular has partnered with a number of different brand agencies to make sure that we really are maximizing on the avenues that we're using and reaching consumers in different ways. I think there is a bit of, there's always a preconception of having to fight for the lion's share of advertising budgets, but I don't think that is really applicable now in the climate that we're in. I think we need to be cognizant of the fact that there is opportunity for everyone, and at the end of the day, we need to reach deliverables and make sure that our clients keep their heads above water at this time. So I think collaboration with other partners is integral.
There is also a need to innovate very quickly in terms of how you communicate your message in a time of lockdown, and then also in a time of people being mostly confined to their homes. How do you think you do that, and what's the time frame for turning around new ways of communicating?
So I think right now, the quick shall inherit the earth. I think we've seen so far that there's been a serious level of courage and tenacity with which businesses are taking on digital transformation. So I think it's a matter of understanding that the landscape has shifted considerably, and we cannot do business the way that we have done before. So it's exploring new avenues of how to reach our clients through online platforms, through social media, through digital advertising. Again, as you said, utilizing radio and broadcast so we can reach people in our own homes. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's a matter of coming to people where they are and engaging with them in a relevant way and adding value. Yeah.
Lauren Crooks of Coalition Communications joining us via Skype here. Thanks so much for your time. We are taking a look at the media and advertising industry on Point this afternoon. I think this is where we leave it for our SABC3 viewers.